Now see, this is a exercise 12.2 and question number 1. In this case, he said that a park is which is in the shape of the quadrilateral A, B, C, D, and these sides are given. AB is equal to 9 meter, B to C is equal to 12 meter, C to D is equal to 5 meter, and A to D is equal to 8 meter. And he said that then find its area. Okay, how much area it occupy. So if you want to find the area for this one, first of all we will join B and D so that it becomes a triangle. So I'm going to join this C. This is your first triangle. This is your right angle triangle. This is a red one. I'm showing by the color. This is your right angle triangle, and the second is that is called your, by showing the color blue, this is your another triangle. Okay, and you have to find what was the total area occupied by the quadrilateral. So I divide this whole quadrilateral into the two parts, first part and second part. So first of all, find the area of this part, and then we have to find the area of this part. These are the two triangles, and that shows the sum of this, that shows the total area of the quadrilateral. So I'm going to find the area of this one, but what was the problem is there? In this case, this base is a given, this height is a given. Okay, so you can use 1 by 2 b into h in this case, but let us find first of all b into d. Okay, so in the triangle BDC, this is a CD part is a given, that is called your 5. BC, that is also given, that is called your 12. Units are meter, so you can write some meter. But we have to find a BD. So in this case, you can use this Pythagoras theorem. And I think everyone know what is the Pythagoras theorem. This is your H. So H is equal to, that is called your under the root B ka square, that's a 25, plus this perpendicular ka square, that's a 12 ka square, that is called your 144. So which is called your under root 169, and that gives the answer is equal to 13 meter. So this length, that which is unknown, that will be known now. This triangle is a complete. Okay, so here you can use now Heron's formula. So that's why I find out this part. Okay, this BD part. For first, in a triangle BDC, the area of a triangle is equal to, that's a 1 by 2 b into h, because in this case b is a given and h is a given, so that's why I'm using this formula, which is called your 1 by 2. Here you can use a Heron's formula also. Okay, so you can use Heron's formula here and here in both the cases. And if in any case, if a base is a given and height is a given, you can use this simple formula. So 1 by 2 into b, what is the base? That is called your 5 meter, and what is the h? That is called your 12 meter. See, this is a right triangle in the shape of this one. This is your C to D. Okay, C, this is a C, and this is your D, and this will be equal to your B. So this is actually shape of this triangle. So which is equal to 6 to the 12, so 6 5 are 30. So it's equal to, area is equal to 30, and units are B into H. So that's a meter into meter, that is equal to your meter square. So this is the area. So area will be known, that's a 30 meter square. You can use either this formula, once again I'm saying, yeah, otherwise you can use Heron's formula. Now for this first part, I'm going to use a Heron's formula. For that we need S, that is your semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter is equal to your sum of sides, that is called your 8 plus 9 plus 13 upon 2. 9 plus 8, that's a 17. 17 plus 13, that's a 30. 30 upon 2, that is called your 15 meter. So S will be known. So area of the triangle is equal to, now what is what was the triangle? That's your ABD. So this is a triangle ABD. So area of triangle ABD is equal to, under the root, as you know, S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. So which is equal to, under the root, what is the S? That is called your 15. So it's a 15 into 15 minus of A. A, that is called your 8. You can take any one. Next is 15 minus of B, that is called your 9, into 15 minus of C, that is called your 13. This. Then, which is equal to 15 into 18 minus this is equal to your 7 into this is equal to your 6. 15 minus 13, that is equal to your 2 whole under the root. And now how to solve this under root? See, I'm going to solve. 15 means you can write 3 into 5, 7, that will be as it is. 6, that means 3 into 2 and 2. Last day I told you that if you want to find the under root, try to factorize the term, so that becomes a, some terms becomes a square. In this case, it becomes a 3 ka square. Similarly, 2 under 2, that is equal to 2 ka square, and the rest of the term is that's the under root. This 7 5s are 35 whole under the root. Square and under root is a gone, so that's why it's equal to 3 to the 6, and this is your under root 35. You know 6 ka square, that is equal to 36, so that's why under root 35, that is equal to your 5.9. Then you can find this one, okay, 5.9, and if you multiply this one, that gives the answer equal to your 35. 6 6 are 35, 6 6 are 36, so 6 into 5.9, that is equal to your 35.9 approximately, so meter square. So this was the area of the triangle your ABD. Area of the triangle, that is equal to 35.5 approximately. Okay, it's approximately meter square. So this is the area. So this is area is equal to 35.5 meter square. Add these two areas and then you will see what was your total area of the quadrilateral. So total area, yeah, you can say area of the quadrilateral is equal to 30 plus of 35.5, and which gives the answer is equal to 65.5 meter square. Done. That's all. So this was your technique to find the area of the quadrilateral. So you have to divide the quadrilateral into two triangles and then you can find the area turn by turn. That's all. Now see, this is the second question. In the second part, once again it's a quadrilateral is a given and these sides are given. Okay, this AB, that is equal to 3 centimeter. Done. And B to C, that is equal to 4 centimeter. C to D is also given. Then A to D is also given, and most important thing is that in this case AC is also given. And now we have to prove that this is a right angle triangle, because if it is a right angle triangle, once again you can use the that's a known formula, that's a 1 by 2 into B into H. Okay, yeah, otherwise you can use Hero's formula for the both parts. So suppose this is your first part and this is your second part. I will show that this is your right angle triangle. Clearly you can see this is a 3 square, that's a 9, 16, that gives under root 25, and that is equal to 5. So I am going to solve this one. See, AC is equal to AC, that is equal to 3 square, that's a 9, and BC square, that is equal to 16 whole under the root, and that is equal to under root 25, and that shows is equal to 5. So AC is equal to 5. So hypotenuse is equal to this. That is equal to already given, that's a 5. So it shows that it is your right angle triangle. So in triangle ABC, I am going to use a general formula for area. So area of this triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into B into H, which gives the answer is equal to 1 by 2 into B, base, that is equal to 3, into height, that is equal to 4 centimeter. That is equal to 4 centimeter. If 2 and 2 is a cut, so 3 to the 6. So units is equal to 6 centimeter square. So this was your this area for this first triangle. And if you want to find the area for the second triangle, now all the three sides are given, so you can find the area for the second triangle. So in this case, let A is equal to that's 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, B is equal to 4 centimeter, C is equal to, once again it's equal to 5 centimeter. So you can find semi-perimeter. S is equal to, that is equal to your A plus B plus C upon 2, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 4, that's a 14. So 14 upon 2, that gives 7 centimeter. And area of this triangle is equal to, area of the triangle, which one? ADC. Triangle ADC is equal to under the root S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, which is equal to under the root, yes, what is the S? S is equal to your 7. So 7 minus of A, you can take anyone, 5 into 7 minus 5, and then S minus of 4, that is equal to 7 minus 4, this. which is equal to C, which is equal to your, this is a 7 as it is, 7 minus 5, that is equal to your 2, 7 minus 5, that's again a 2, 7 minus 4, that is equal to your 3, whole under the root, done, which is equal to, this is your 7, it's equal to 2 cos square into 3, square and root is a 1, 2 as it is, into under the root 21, and 4 cos square, that's a 16, and 5 cos square, that's a 25. So its under root is lies between 4 and 5, and that is equal to approximately its under root is approximately is equal to 4.6. So it's a 2 into 4.6, which is equal, this was the under root. And if you multiply these two terms, that gives 6 to the 12 and 4 to the 8. So it is equal to your approximately 9.2 centimeter square. So this was the area for the second portion. And if you need a total area, so what was the total area? So total area is equal to 9.2 centimeter square, and plus this area is equal to, and what was the area for this portion that already we have find, that is equal to 6. So 9 plus 6, that is equal to 15. So 15.2 centimeter square. That's all. So this is the actually technique to find the area of the some quadrilateral. Divide the quadrilateral into two triangles and then find area of these two triangles, and at last add these. This calculation gives the your total area of the quadrilateral.